She said, you can't know what I've done.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and I recently got box braiding my hair. That video that I posted of me doing my edges, that was made before Christmas, so that's like super old. Yeah, but today guys, I'm gonna show you how to get this high looking puff, I guess, or this puff that I've been doing for the past 2 days. Cause I took my hair down Friday. Today's Sunday, so no. First, I'm gonna show you guys the time really fast. It's 3:24. Yeah, 3:24. And yeah, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so the things that you guys will need is a comb like that. This has water and coconut oil in it. And you need a brush like this. Then you need a bristle brush like this. Or a brush like this. So if I'm looking up here, I'm looking in the mirror because the mirror's right here. But yeah, let's get started. First, I'm gonna part my hair. Oh, and you need rubber bands. This is not a rubber band, this is a headband. Because I don't know where my rubber bands went. So I'm gonna have to like work with it, I guess. But part's not looking the best, but it doesn't matter because, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take our comb again and part that. I don't know. I'm putting my tennis shoes. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Too much, but you don't need it.
Take this all over. Just brush my hair. It doesn't matter. Yeah, and now I'm going to take this coconut oil water, and spray it in the back of my hair. And then when I spray it in this on my hair, I'll be back.
Okay guys, so I've put the coconut oil in my hair. I just put it in my hair and like rubbed it in. I haven't brushed it yet, but now we're gonna take this brush, not a brush, but this is a brushlet, and we're just gonna brush our hair. So when I do this to the rest of my hair, I'll be back. Okay, so just brushed out my hair. Yeah, but I brushed out my hair. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush and spray some of this on here. Just brush the back of my hair. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah. Okay, so I think it's pretty good and big. So now I'm gonna spray some more. this stretchy rubber band and I'll be back when I have another. Hey guys, so I got something else. Now, this is what it's gonna look like. And now I'm gonna take this. And then we'll take this brush. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace.